Okay, this is integrated 3. It's problem 4-119. It says, due to normal variability in manufacturing, a 12-ounce can of soda does not usually hold exactly 12 ounces of soda. The quality control department at a soda factory allows cans to hold a little more or a little less. Thus, the amount of soda in full cans can often be modeled with a normal distribution. Suppose that a soda can filling machine at a factory fills cans with a mean of 12 ounces of soda and a standard deviation of 0.33 ounces. Letter A, use your calculator to create a graph of a normal distribution using normal PDF. Sketch the graph. An appropriate value for the maximum of the relative frequency axis is y max equals 1.5. So that part is the part that might have confused you. We're just going to use Desmos. So they want a normal distribution, and they already gave us 12 for our mean and 0.33 for our standard deviation. So write those down and then go to Desmos. So when you go to Desmos, you're going to type in normal dist, or you can go down to the functions key and you can find it. I'll show that. All of these things, they have like keyboard shortcuts, but you can always find these. Like, see, here's distributions. It would just be that button. And then as soon as I typed in normal dist, it said mean, standard deviation. So I knew that's where I have to type in my mean and my standard deviation. Again, I just got those right straight out of our textbook. They were in the problem. And then it wants, so there's the histogram. You can't really see it, so I'm going to hit zoom fit. And there it is. Okay, so letter B, let's see what letter B said. Letter B said, how often does the model predict a 12-ounce can of soda will contain more than 12 ounces? So more than 12 ounces? Well, that would just be right here in the middle. So it would be half of the graph. So that would be 50%. If you wanted to see what it looked like, you can go. Okay, and see how it says 0.5, that's 50%. And then the next question is, according to the model, what percentage of cans contain between 11.5 and 12.5 ounces of soda? Shade your graph. Okay, so let's do that. So this time I'm going to say between 11.5 and 12.5. And it looks like we got about 87%. So that is your answer for that problem. And then let's see what else is next. In what percentile is a can with 13 ounces of soda? Explain what this means in context of the problem. Okay, so 13. So let's go from so I had to type the word infinity to get that sideways infinity symbol up here. And let's get this out of the way. So the 13, you can't really see it down there, but basically this model is, 13, we'll see it's way out. It looks like it's just about 100%. The whole thing's shaded pretty much, except for just the little tiny bit that's past 13. So we're going to say it's in the 99.9th percentile. And is there anything else? Oh, what does it mean in the context of the problem? Almost all of the bottles, they're pretty much guaranteed to have 13 or a 13-ounce bottle of soda and is more soda than 99.9% of the bottles. So it's in the 99th percentile. And that's all I got. So how do I stop this? Stop share. And